I did damage to my bank account. Go nil. I'm doing a huge haul, a huge summer haul. I couldn't start Hot Girl Summer without the right wardrobe, so I decided to go out and spend a shitload of money on clothes. Am I proud of it? No. But do I regret it? No. So therefore it's acceptable. Let's get started. Look at how huge this bag is. First up, we have this pastel yellow long sleeve. I mainly got this to wear like as a jacket, or not like as a jacket, but to like do this. And then if it's like really cold, I could like put it on. I love the color. Look at it. Like it's just such a cute little yellow. And then the buttons on the shoulders, I think that's a really cute detail. I just really, really like it. The only problem is I have hyperhidrosis, which is like basically a fancy word for excessive sweating, and I get sweat stains. If you ever talk to someone with hyperhidrosis, they've probably told you that like they can't wear gray. Yeah, I can't wear anything, period. So I have to be really careful with the things that I purchase, but I'm kind of worried that I won't be able to wear this because it's just long sleeve, man. Long sleeves and I just don't work. I got this green tank top. It's adorable. That's the only word that I can use to describe it. Look at it. And I also love the cut of this. This is like the perfect cut for low-rise jeans, and I'm super excited about that. This next top you guys already saw in my last video, and I posted a couple pictures in it. It's gorgeous. I love this blue. It's like a turquoise, and it's a turtleneck, but you can like unbutton the buttons. And what I did, how I wore this is I wore like a crew neck, and then I wore this under it and then folded it so that you could still see that like pop of blue, and it just looked so freaking adorable. I love it. I love this color. It makes my eyes pop. That's a nice little perk that comes with the shirt. We have another tank top. So knit is pretty in right now. Not like knit, but I want to say like crochet. So I got this multicolored crochet little tank top. I figured this would be cute to wear over bikinis, something that you can just throw on. I just like it. Like, it's just cute. Okay. Ooh, we have this dress. You guys also saw this in my last video. When I buy clothes, I like to visualize where I could wear it. And so this I figured would be nice to wear at a night beach party. Will I be invited to one of those? Who freaking knows? It's a long maxi dress, and it's got really nice lace detailing on it. It's just like the perfect summer dress, honestly. I hate it when people say like, oh, you don't need a jacket, it's summer. Hello, yes I do. I get cold, and I don't wanna like sit there shivering at night, because even in the summertime, it gets cold at night. So I figured I should get like a white jacket that I could just throw on. It's kind of oversized, which I love that. I could wear it with shorts, I could wear it with a skirt, and it's just a nice little off-white color, and it's just perfect. It's like a denim jacket. I have so many of these in different colors, and I wear them all the time, and I figured I should get one in like a whitish so it could match more stuff. I know you're gonna end up needing one, and you're gonna say, damn, I should have listened to Nell because she said I would get cold, and I am cold, and I don't have a cute summer jacket. So go get yourself a cute summer jacket. What else do we have? I'm stoked for this shirt. Stoked. Look at it. I love it. And I think it would look so cute with like a bikini underneath it and some blue shorts. Oh, I love it. It's so classy. I think it just looks classy. Guys, I know I said that purple's my favorite color, but I think blue is becoming my favorite color. I really don't think this is just me. I think every single girl has a pair of denim shorts that's just like their go-to pair. They wear them all summer, and it's just their like favorite article of clothing. I decided to make these shorts those shorts. Although I was sad to say goodbye to my original pair of like favorite shorts, honestly the reason why I'm saying goodbye to them is because my ass is a little too big. It's because I gained weight. I said goodbye to them. They just weren't fitting anymore. So I was like, okay, we just need to get a new pair, and I did. And I really like this. I really, really do. These are a little bit big, but I've been doing the like TikTok trick, put the belt loop over the button and then you button it, and it works pretty well. It doesn't even look bad, you can't even tell. And then you can also buy like those Amazon pop-in buttons. Those are so useful. If you don't have one of those like sets of buttons, get one right now. They're like 10 bucks. I use them every time I wear jeans because it just makes everything look better and it makes your body look so much nicer. I will leave the link in the description. Oh, Oh mon amour. Look at this dress. Just look at this dress. Look! She's perfect! It's the silk pink dress. There's a slit on the leg and there's these buttons going down the side. It's flawless. It's flawless. Absolutely fucking perfect. Don't ask me where I'm gonna wear it because when I did try to visualize where I could wear this dress, nothing really came to mind, but it was just too perfect to pass up. I couldn't be like, no, I don't want to get this dress. Yeah, I don't have anywhere to wear it, but I still want it in my closet. Zara's doing something right. They're doing something right. Every time I reach for the bag, just more shit just ends up coming out of it. Honestly, I don't know how many things I bought. I got these shorts. They're a little bit wrinkly right now, but I freaking love them and I really want to go back to see if they have them in other colors because they're so comfortable. These are the type of shorts that you could wear at home and outside and it would look really, really good. I love the material. It's kind of silky. This is something that I know I needed and I'm really just glad that I found exactly what I was looking for. This top is a little hard to show when it's untied. It's this white halter and it looks really, really good on. You crisscross it around your body and you tie it. So flattering. They had it in black. I know for a fact I'm gonna order that literally today because it's a staple summer piece that I just know I'm gonna use a lot. This is the last thing I got from Zara, I promise, but I really, really like this. Leotards are back in, or not leotards, but rompers, but the ones that are like tight and that wrap around your body. I have like this really cute one from Jaded London in blue, and I saw this one in black and I was like, this is definitely something that I will be wearing a lot. It's just all black, it's ribbed, and then the back is open. Woo! You can't tell right now, but it's open. It sits really well on my body and I was really, really excited for that because usually things don't really like fit around my waist, but this did. So it was like a really good find. First store is complete after literally 45 minutes of filming. I swear to God, I have a package from I.AM.GIA. These literally came in the mail yesterday. I had like a gift card, so I was like, okay, let me go see what they have. And I found these denim jeans. They're low rise and they have a few like detailings going on. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I think you can like scrunch the legs up. That's pretty cool. And then it's got some pockets. There's like this belt action going on. Here's what I'm gonna say. I think this was like 90 bucks. I ended up paying like 30 because of my gift card. But like, these are really thin jeans. They don't even feel like jeans. They feel like either, I feel bad saying this, but like, they feel like low quality thin jeans, if that makes sense. Like, have you ever bought a pair of jeans online from like a sketchy website and they ended up being really thin and like flimsy? Like, they didn't feel like jeans. Like, these are jeans. They're thick. This is so thin. I don't know, like, I just don't really think it's worth 90 bucks. Had I paid full price, I probably would have returned them. I mean, like, they're cute, I'm not gonna lie. They're nice, I'm gonna wear them. But for the price that they are, I feel like they could have done a much better job. Like, if you're gonna sell me jeans for 90 bucks, it might as well like be a really fucking good pair of jeans. So I'm kind of upset. I'm not gonna return them because they're cute, but like, it's not the best quality. Like, hello? Okay, we have more stuff. These are from Set Active. I got a brown set. I think this is called their espresso color, and it's actually a lot darker than I thought it would be, but I don't mind that. They're so comfortable and I wear them all the time. I think this is called their like full length workout top, and I freaking love these because I'm a C, so it's really hard for me to wear tank tops without a bra because I just feel super unsupported, and I like it when they're like in place. These do that, and I don't have to wear a bra, and I can wear this as a shirt. I can wear this to work out. It's just like, it just does it. It hits the spot. And then same with their crop top. This is their like box cut. This is also one of my other favorite cuts of theirs. It's just perfect. I can wear this without a bra and it's totally chillin'. They won't go anywhere. They're gonna be intact, so it's perfect. Obviously they're matching leggings. Love their leggings. They fit like a glove. It's just nothing to complain about. Thank you, Set Active. Love you. Guys, low-key, this haul's kind of coming to an end. I only have like a few other pieces left to show. This next item, I found their brand on TikTok. It's called No Owners, and they sell like hoodies, and I really liked this design. It's this brown zip up, and what does it even say? I forgot what it says. Let's take a look. Hello. Ah! Ah! Zip! It's not zipping. No owner's gun club. Well, isn't that just great? Go guns! I just like the hoodie. It's just a basic piece, you know, something that you can just throw on. Comfortable, casual. I got the swimming suit set from RJ Swim. So this is the bikini top. I wanna say like holographic kind of. I just really like it. They're the ones that tie and you can like scrunch them up. And then it also came with a matching skirt that you can wear, like a little cover up. How cute is that? RJ Swim, you're killing it. I love the set so much. I cannot wait to wear it in the summer and take the cutest photos. Now I just need a boat. Maybe I should like reach out to my Republican friends. The next two things I'm gonna show you are accessories. I got these 3 hats from this Turkish brand. I think it's pronounced tutunj. I love their hats so much. This is the first one. So this is number 1, like this. Love it. This is probably my favorite. It's like this really nice suede, like army green. I love it. Where have hats been my entire life? This is like a pastel yellow. Thank you so much. I literally have been wearing these nonstop, especially this one. I'm so sad this haul is coming to an end. I've been having so much fun filming it because I've just been looking at all the new clothes that I got. But I got these jewelry pieces. They were sweet enough to send them over, Vitally New York. The first thing that they sent is this gold chain necklace. It's like a little choker. I love it. Oh my God, this is so cute! Oh my God, I literally want to put this on right now. Look at this bracelet. Tell me you don't want to eat it. I'm sorry. Obviously you don't want to eat it, but like tell me you don't want to wear it. This is gonna be difficult. I can't put this on alone. It's not working. I'm getting frustrated. Oh, wait. I did it. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Those are about all the items that I've purchased from March to May. This is a pretty good collective haul. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay safe. Have a great week. I want to say a huge thank you to the brands that sent me some of these stuff. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.